soldier for the loss and the gains. Rogue rebel heartbeat, never learned how to kneel. When the world said stop, I kept twisting the wheel. Every scar on my skin sings a beautiful tune, like a storm in the sunlight, like a wolf howling at noon. I was built from the wild, I was forged in the rain. Now I turn every setback into fuel for the flame. We go higher, louder, brighter than the night. Rogue rebel shining like 1,000 city lights. If the world wants a hero, we'll give it a fight. We're the dream, the fire, the rhythm of the night. Hands up, hearts open, let the whole world see. This is the sound of you and me. Through the shadows, I've danced with the doubt, but I found my own anthem when the noise faded out. No chains, no labels, just a pulse and a plan. I'm a one-on-one miracle, a wildfire in the sand. Every broken alley led me closer to gold. Every goodbye taught me how to let go. Now the ceiling is sky and the sky is the start. Watch me turn my rebellion into art. We go higher, louder, brighter than the night. Rogue rebel shining like 1,000 city lights. If the world wants a hero, we'll give it a fight. We're the dream, the fire, the rhythm of the night. Hands up, hearts open, let the whole world see. This is the sound of you and me. Oh, when the thunder comes, we don't run away. We make a throne out of the ruins and stay. From the ashes to the anthems, from the fear to the flame. We were born to be legendary, and we carry that name. City lights, no surrender, no surrender. We were born to rise, with the whole world singing underneath our skies. Hands up, hearts open, let the whole world see. This is the sound of you and me.